Just before this audio begins, this script was written by u/sale_2_your_dreams on Reddit. Go support them any way you can, and let's get into the audio. Hello? Yeah, I can hear you. The signal's rough, but you're coming through. No, I'm fine. Really. The blizzard is bad, yeah. Whiteout conditions. I can't see 10 meters beyond the station. But the building's... it's holding. The power's out, but the generator's running. I've got heat, food, and a good book. Enough of everything to last days if I have to. So yeah, I'm good. I'll just wait it out. Once the storm passes and my replacement arrives, I'll head back down into the valley. What is it? A missing hiker? You're kidding me. Really? Now, in this storm. Of course, right? Of course, it had to happen tonight. Alright, Alright, yeah, no, I'm fine, I'm calm. Just tell me the details. Female. Alone. Lost her group. Blue jacket. The last time she was seen was at the crossroads by Rock Castle. Okay. I know that ridge. That's close. I know every damn stone up there. Yeah, I'll go. Yeah, I've got my gear. I'll call you back once I find her. Damn it. I hate this mountain when it's like this. The snow's hitting like needles. I can barely keep my eyes open. I'd have to find her. Easy. Don't slip. When I fall and maybe break my leg, this will become a disaster for the both of us. Okay. This is the crossroads. I can barely see it anymore. But it looks like someone slid down the embankment here. Looks like it's been a while ago. Careful. So, where are you? Wait. There. Oh shit. Hey. Can you hear me? Hello? Nothing. Jesus, you're ice cold. Your chest. I can't tell if it's moving. If you're breathing. Hopefully you're still having a pulse. Wrist. Nothing. Neck. I'm unsure. Because you're so cold, I can't tell if this pulse is mine or yours. I have to take you to the mountain station. I know what the books say. You're not supposed to move someone in deep hypothermia. Cold blood from the limbs can rush back to their heart real fast, can cause it to stop. But if I leave you here, you're already dead. Hold on, okay? Oh, you're lighter than you look. Now, careful. Again. Step by step. Oh, Jesus. Oh, almost slipped. Okay. And we're back on the path. The station isn't too far from here. Hang in there. I've got you. Just don't leave me now. We made it. Okay. I'll lay you down here. First, let's get all this stuff off you. Gloves. Jacket. Your boots. There's ice in your hair. You must have been lying out there for hours. I need to check you. Your pulse in your neck. I can't tell. I really can't if I feel it. I need to be sure. I'm sorry, I'm gonna lay my head on your chest now, okay? I need to take a listen if your heart is still beating. Come on. Please. Be alive. There it is. It's very weak and slow. Not surprised that I wasn't able to find your pulse. But it's there. That's all I needed to know right now. Hey, Central? This is Matthew. I found her. She's buried in the snow. She has severe hypothermia. No. She's unconscious. Her heart is still beating. But right now, she's closer to death than to life. I understand. The medical team until the storm clears. We'll hold out. I'll try to warm her up. Call me back when the rescue team is on their way. Alright. Now it's just you and me. I've got you. Okay. I'm gonna wrap us in this blanket, okay? There. Oh, Jesus. You're so cold. Oh, then I'm starting to freeze now, too. But you're in my arms now. Chest to chest. Do you hear that? That's my heartbeat. Steady and strong. I want you to hear it. Follow its rhythm. And let it guide you back to life. Just stay here with me. I won't let you go. You'll wake up when you're ready. My heart will remind yours how to beat. You're safe. Hi everyone, and thank you for listening to today's audio. And just before I touch on the channel members, I just want to read out this thing that sail to your dreams wrote in the script about this audio. I know this blizzard scenario has been used many times before by other writers. Hopefully not in this form though. The script is special to me. The idea came from my best friend Andre. He passed away from cancer on December 5th, 2022. I haven't touched the text file since his death. It remained unfinished in a folder on my hard drive for a long time. For a long time, it didn't feel right to finish it. Ultimately, though, it is his legacy, and I want to honor it. I would be very grateful for if you wanted to use it for an audio recording. It would have been an honor for him to hear this story brought to life. If you wish, you can mention that the idea came from Andre next to my name as a scriptwriter, but it's not necessary. I'm happy just to be able to hear his idea as an audio recording someday. The story has 2 parts. Here's part 1, and I will finish and upload part 2 soon. Yeah. This is dedicated to the memory of Andre and sail to _ your dreams. And I'm really glad that I got to do the script. And it's just, I'm just glad you do something for somebody. You know, I'm Yeah, I've never done this before, so I'm just kind of whoosh. But yeah, thank you to my channel members: Alala DE, Sin, Astrid Lemser, Riverwood, Wolffire26, Amiza Michaela, Kenneth29, Mel Star, Psychona, Tori Hills, Angie, The Poetry Cooker Video, AJN, Art and Melody Audios, Red Raccoon, Reed, Unanonymous, Grace Roberts, Thunder, Isabel Matter, Marlies, Laura Lullaby, Julie Arberg, Amanda Gabriella, Teddy193, Lowe's VDC, Stardust76, A. Ross, Dario Oceana, Ruby Blue 0910, Andy Estrada, Mina, Vic, Rudiger Karnik, Nikita Maria de Cruz, Annalisa Winterborn, Chara Carmona, Lindsay Fernanda, Aaron Johnson, Giselle DeQuee, Hannah, Headphone for Life, Serena3120, Hi Ooh Woo Woo Woo, That Underscore Weirdo, Asia, Megan Jane Music, and Foxy Cat. Why do you guys have long, hard names? And I'm sorry if I mispronounced majority of your guys' names. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye, everyone.